G'day. Today we're doing a bit of work on a Ford Ranger 2015 model. What's happening? He's got floating shifts up in the higher gears, probably 4th, 5th and 6th. Towing a van, 153,000 kilometres, no cooler, only got the heat exchanger. So we're going to put the scan tool on and see if we've got any fault codes there. There is a light on the dash. So we've got powertrain faults, but they're more got to do with the EGR system than the transmission. The solenoids on these, they have, on the 6R80 transmissions, have magnets inside them, so they can be contaminated. He's only done 153,000 kilometres. So we've changed all the solenoids, whole set, with genuine solenoids with the same shift strategies. They were all number 4s and 5s on this. We've installed a cooler bypass valve. We've got rid of the thermal valve that opens up at, or starts to open at 70 degrees, fully open it should be at 80 degrees. We've got a full flow one, it'll start going through the cooler, the bypass cooler, as soon as you start the vehicle now. We've replaced all the seals between the valve body and the case, the tube seals and the bridge seal and the case connector. Also we've cleaned the mechatronic plate. There's a couple of sensors on there that will attract a fine metallic swarf. Put it all back together, cleared all the codes. The EGR codes have actually disappeared, but they'll probably come back when the exhaust system gets hot enough. There is a fair bit of black smoke coming out of there, but because he tows a caravan, he probably can't get that range and acceleration happening as effectively, so it will carbon up the whole exhaust system there, the EGR system. And we're just going to measure what temperature we've got coming out of the transmission. So you can see we've got 87 degrees engine temperature, transmission temperature is 105 degrees. We'll just see what's going in and out of the transmission oil cooler. So you can see we've mounted the cooling, goes through here, and we've got a transmission oil cooler mounted up behind the transfer case. We've got 111 degrees going in, and we've got 70 degrees going out. I'm all over the place. Go back up here. $110, $111, back down here. So you can see it's lowering the temperature 30 odd degrees. Very good items to install in your transmission. And another thing is we completely bypass the coolant, so there's no chance of getting coolant in your transmission. Anyway, hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.